A very good day to our lecturers. I am Aishwarya from DSP3B and my matrix number is F1041. So, we'll be further explaining on our site analysis topic, that is services and utilities. Services and utilities refer to all essential infrastructure systems that support human activity on the site. Importance are: they are crucial because any design must align with existing supply and distribution network, not work against them. It is also to ensure the development function efficiently, safely, and sustainably. Examples of services are firefighting services and also solid waste management. While on the other hand, examples of utilities are electrical supply, water supply, telecommunication, sewage and waterways, and also stormwater drainage. So we will be moving on to see services that are firefighting services and also solid waste management. We will be further focusing on solid waste management. Solid waste management refers to collection, transportation, treatment, and disposal of solid waste. It also includes household solid waste, commercial waste, and industrial waste. It is managed by the local authority, that is Majlis Daerahan, with community support. Common methods are landfills, recycling, composting, and recirculation. It is aimed to reduce pollution, protect the environment, and also ensure public's health. And moving on to utilities are electricity supply, telecommunication, water supply, sewage and wastewater, and also stormwater drainage. So I'll be explaining further on electricity supply. The legend shows that yellow coded legends are to indicate electrical poles. Electrical poles are carried overhead electricity cables, distributes power to houses and shops, connects directly from substation, and also grid pole street lighting. While the black color indicates substation electric, it reduces high voltage from grid to low voltage. It also supplies electricity to distribution poles, and also it is the main source of power for the area. And lastly, street light poles are also indicated by the blue color. It is installed along main roads and it provides lighting at night, and also it is to increase the safety for the road users.
So I will continue with telecommunications. Along the road, as you can see, there is a blue color for Wi-Fi and telecom poles. It holds overhead cable. It's a fiber optic and also work as a telephone lines. It also may have a small box or Wi-Fi device attached to the pole. Other than that, it also bring internet and phone service to houses and also shop. So the green one, as you can see, was antenna TV. Antenna TV is a home aerial antenna. It's a receive signal from broadcast tower. And the red one, there's only three red one. Is the Astro Octopoint Enjoy satellite. So it's a satellite dish connected directly to satellite. It's a TV receiver, as you know. And then the last one was the color pink. There's only one color pink. It was distribution box. It's a function act as a distribution point where main fiber or telephone's cable are split into a smaller line. And also this place has a really weak coverage for our mobile services like Maxi, Cellcom, DG, but it's got like 4 gig. It's very weak. And then I will continue with the water supply. So water supplies, as you can see, the orange color was our place loji rawatan air, and the blue one is rumah pumps Singkir Laut. So I will continue with water supply. That's the same color. For orange color was loji rawatan air, and the yellow color was water pump. The green one is drainage. The blue one is rumah pump Singkir Laut, and also the brown one was culvert. So the source of water is a surface water from river, lakes, and also reservoir. It's also groundwater wells from well and boreholes, rainwater harvesting, and also desalination is for seawater. So there's a distribution system. It's a pipeline, pumps, and valves deliver water to home and to industry, also public facility. So since this place has their own history about flood, so they make their own flood management. It's a proper culvert design prevent road, washout, and flooding. It's a protecting water treatment plants and also reservoir from stormwater damage. As you can see, there was their own water was rumah pump Singkir Laut is a Sada Sdn Bhd provide.
For sewage and wastewater, we found several important elements related to domestic waste disposal on the site, which is black water and grey water. Sewage include black water, which come from the toilet and contain human waste. For grey water, it also include grey water, which is come from kitchen, bathroom, sink, and washing machine. So, in addition, infrastructure, this wastewater flow are managed through sewer pipe, manhole, and sewage treatment plant in urban area, while rural area often use septic tank. So, on the site, every house on the site to have septic tank. Next is function. The system ensures that dirty water is properly treated before being released to protect public health and the environment. In short, sewage and wastewater refer to black water and grey water from daily and human activities, which is managed through pipe treatment plant or septic tank, and keep separate from stormwater drainage. So next is stormwater drainage. In this slide, we identify several stormwater drainage elements that are important for managing water flow, which is such as river, ditch, drain, culvert, and water control gate. So let's move to river first. River is a natural river running along the road from the main entrance to the site, which help channel access rainwater. So next is this. We also found this along the paddy field. This direct water into the field and also act as stormwater channel to prevent flooding. Next is drain. There are roadside drain from the main road, which is collect surface water and direct it to the nearest outlet. In addition, we have 12 unit covered on the site from main road to the site. So which identified 12 covered which is function to channel water underneath the road to maintain smooth flow without erosion. So last is water control gate. We found just one water control gate on the site which prevent river water from mixing with seawater and regulate water supply to the paddy field. So water control gate ni water control gate system have two. For example, gravity flow system. When the sea level is low, the sluice gate is opened, allowing inland water, rainwater, river water to flow out naturally to the sea by gravity. So the next one is pump drainage system. During high tide, the gate remain closed. Pumping station are used to lift inland water and discharge it to the sea against the high and sea level. So advantage dia adalah reduce flood risk even during high tide, but require high maintenance and energy.
And lastly, I'll be explaining about my part of SWOT analyze that is strength. Firstly, it has a natural water resources nearby such as streams, boreholes, and rainwater harvesting. Moving on, telecommunication. It has a good telecommunication coverage with mobile networks and fiber optic expansion, jendela. And then it also has a waste management supported by the local authority, that is Majlis Daerah Yan. And moving on to the next trend is that it has a strong government regulation to ensure safety and quality of the utilities that are already existing and also has been suggested. And lastly, it has a fire station nearby around 17 minutes away, giving fast emergency responses.
So for the weakness, some rural areas have low water pressure and also unstable electricity. It has also internet speed and reliability are lower, so compared to urban area. The third one was flash flood often happen in Yan, disrupting drainage and sewage system, as we know that has their own history about flood, and also high cost to upgrade to modern and a green system, solar, advanced sewage and treatment.
Okay, for opportunities, we have 4 points. First is high sunlight makes solar energy project possible. Better service or utilities can support eco-tourism at Tanjung Dawai, Pantai Buni and Gunung Jerai. So, in addition, green infrastructure like rain garden, flowable paving, and stormwater system can reduce flood risk. So, last is government project jendela, green police, and improve service quality and reliability.
So for the threat lastly is flood and coastal erosion may damage local and infrastructure. So it was that place also has a climate change, rising sea level, extremely weather. It can affect the water and also electricity supply. Other than that, it's a natural disaster like landslide near Gunung Jerai, and coastal storm can damage supply lines. And the last one is high cost of maintaining the utilities and also firefighting system in the long term. That's all. Bye bye.